Today we're going to be going over measuring triangles and classifying them. So the sum of all three angles in a triangle adds up to be 180 degrees, and this is called the triangle sum theorem. Just as long as you know it adds up to 180, you notice I showed you 45 plus 45 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180, so we know that this is in fact a triangle. We have done some examples for you, and it's kind of all over it, so I'm going to walk you through it as we go through, given these two angles. So I say 60 plus x equals 180, and I'm calling this x. So I add my like terms. 60 plus 60 is 120. I have a one-step equation limit. I subtract 20 from both sides, and I end up getting x equals 60. Right here I have two sides that are missing, but we don't know, so you have to assume that they're the same side. So right here I've got 2x plus 110. Okay, I got 2x plus 110 equals 180. I subtract 110 from both sides, it gets 70. Divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals 35. So both of these x's are 35. Right here I didn't set it up in an equation. I just said, okay, I know that's 90, I know that's 45. So I say 90 plus 45 is 135. 180 minus 135 is 45. So that's my missing side. Alright, and then the last one, I know these two sides are missing, so I'm going to assume that they are the same. So I say 2x plus 90 equals 180. So 2x's minus 90 gives me 90 divided by 2. I get x equals 45. So both of these x's equal 45. Right here I did the first one for you. 60 plus 69 is 129. 180 minus 129 is 51, so x equals 51. Right here, I set this up for you. 2x plus 90 equals 180. I want you to find out what x is. I want you to find this missing side. And I want you to find the missing side of this triangle. It's really one side because they're the same, but the missing sides of this triangle. I'm going to use this right here to measure a triangle. I want you to make a triangle, really, because look right there, if I drew that right there, if I put me a dot, mark this dot and drew a line here, and drew a line straight across, then I got my ruler and drew a line here, that would be 136 degrees right here at this triangle. You can use that also to measure this side. Alright, we'll be working with those Wednesday. Go to this website, shows you how to estimate angle measurements of triangles. And this website shows you where we classify triangles. Now let's go through this real quick. A triangle with a 100-degree angle and two congruent sides. So 100-degree angle, we know that's obtuse. Two congruent would be isosceles. Alright, next question. A triangle with a 90-degree angle and no sides are congruent. So that'd be right. It's scalene means no sides are congruent. A triangle with three angles less than 90 degrees, so that's acute. So it's got to be one of these three, and all three sides are congruent. So we know that is an equilateral triangle. Alright, a triangle with 90-degree angle and two congruent sides. 90-degree angle, two congruent sides, so that's isosceles. Alright, 150 or another side twos. So you see that no congruent sides means it is an scalene. Triangle with all three sides, all three angles congruent, all three sides congruent. It's an acute equilateral. And we're finished. Alright, so that's how the triangle sum theorem works. Take notes.